I'm showing you how to get Wurst Client for 1.21.4. So to get it, you want to head over to wurstclient.net. This is going to be linked down in the description below, together actually with my Discord server where you can find many more clients just like this one, so I'd greatly appreciate it if you could join that. Anyways, over here, you want to click on the latest version. Currently there is only one because the update just released. Anyways, now you want to scroll down a little bit until you find the downloads section. Here you want to locate the one for 1.21.4 and you want to click on this black button, and that is going to automatically download Wurst Client for you. You also need the Fabric API to use this. To download that, simply click on the white button next to it, and there we go. That is now downloaded as well. So to use Wurst Client, you want to make sure that you have the Fabric loader for 1.21.4. If you don't have this yet, or you're not sure where to get it, then it will be linked down in the description below. Anyways, for right now, as you can see, I have the Fabric API as well as Wurst Client in my downloads, and I can simply press on the Windows and R buttons at the same time, and then in the box that pops up, you want to type in app data, just like so, then hit enter or click on OK, and this area right here should open up. In here you want to go into the folder called roaming, then .minecraft, then the mods folder right over here. Inside of the mods folder you want to simply drag the Fabric API as well as Wurst Client, just like that, and once you've done that, you're good to go. You can close up both of these, open up the Minecraft launcher, and then launch Fabric for 1.21.4. So here I'm inside of Minecraft 1.21.4, and for right now I'll just head into a single player world and show you exactly how to use Wurst Client. So I'm just going to show you how to get started with Wurst Client. If you want a complete in-depth tutorial, then that will be linked down in the description below. Anyways, to get started, you can press on the right hand shift button, and that is going to open up this area, also known as the Click GUI. This contains all the utilities that this client has. You can click on them to turn them off and to turn them on, and click on them once again to turn them off again. Clicking on this arrow over here is going to give you an entire customization menu for that specific utility, and now all of these utilities are going to have unique customization menus. For the rest, when you hover over these, you're going to get a brief description of what the utility does as well. And for the rest, this entire Quick GUI area should be pretty self-explanatory to use. If you're looking for something specific, then you can type it in and the client will sort by that. Anyways, for the rest, if you scroll down over here past all of these utilities, you'll notice that the sorting starts again, except for utilities with a dot. If they have a dot in front of them, it means that these are actually commands. And we can open up this area for this specific command then, and then it'll tell you a description of what the command does, as well as the syntax, or basically exactly how to use it. Right? So to use a command, you can simply open up the chat, type in a dot, and then the command. I'll type in .help real quick, and that is going to give me, well, the first page of a list of all the commands that this client has. As you can see, for the rest, typing a command in chat, just without anything else, it'll give you a full description of the command, as well as all the basically usages of the command, which is really useful. Anyways, for the rest, opening the Click GUI back up again, for these customization menus, there's one pretty important thing that they all allow you to do, and that is to set a keybind. It's usually at the bottom over here, as you can click on the plus button to add a keybind for this specific utility. Anyways, going down to the very bottom of this, you'll see that the sorting actually starts again, and these are some more general basic utilities, including some of the HUD elements, or the stuff that shows up on your screen. As you can see, there is the Wurst logo right over here as well. This allows you to manage and turn off the logo that's on my screen right now, as well as the array list or the hack list, which you'll notice that whenever I turn something on like this, it's going to show up over there. You can choose to turn that off or to manage how all those things on your screen shows. For the rest down here, there's also some more general and pretty useful utilities. Anyways, finally, if we go into the pause menu over here, you'll notice that there is also a worst options thing. This allows you to access the keybind, X-ray, as well as zoom managers, together with a few more settings and references. Anyways, for right now, that was basically that. Of course, if you have any questions or the like, then do feel free to leave those down in the comments below. But for right now, thank you ever so much for watching, and I do of course hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye.